they went beyond the minimum requirements. Humingi sila ng requirements from the NICA, from the National Intelligence Coordinating Council, from the National Security Council. They also requested information from Interpol. So this is beyond the requirements na, kaya kasi meron yang ganitong aspeto. May mga certification naman itong tatlong ehensya na wala silang nakikitang hindi maganda at walang negative reports from these three agencies. Kaya based on those reports ng committee, naaprubahan no, yung citizenship niya. So ang importante kasi dito yung ebidensya at proof na meron siyang direct links dito sa mga pogo at sinasabing pogo. And based on sa information ng committee at based sa investigation ng committee, wala silang nakitang direct links. At proof, wala rin silang nakitang proof.